In this video, we will be unboxing the Samsung Metro XL feature phone. So let's get into it. Literally speaking, feature phones are the best phone. They are durable, have a long-lasting battery, and of course they are cheap. So let's just open up the box. And there's the phone itself. Let's keep it aside for a while I show you the box contents. Okay, so under the phone, the first thing we have got is a lithium-ion battery. Its capacity is only 1200 milliampere. Let me just remove the back panel of the phone, and there are two micro SIM slots and a dedicated SD card slot on the left side. Now let me just put the battery on it and close it. While the phone turns on, I will show you the other box content. Let's just turn it on. Okay, so next thing we have got is the 5V 0.7 volt charger. It is a micro USB charger and has a Samsung branding on the front of it. Next thing we've got is documentation, some user manual and some warranty cards which no one reads. Next up we have regular earphones. These are the very basic earphones that Samsung provides in their every low model. So for the physical overview, here we have a micro USB port, 3.5mm headphone jack on top, speaker which doubles up as a call speaker, and 2 megapixel front camera, 3.1 megapixel back camera. That's all guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like our channel.